Hi, this is Quantribe. Welcome to my channel. In this video, let's look at how you can transform your indicator to a strategy in PineScript. I used to have this kind of video about 5 years ago, but PineScript developed so quickly that it's actually not relevant anymore. So before going to the video, a quick announcement. I'm launching my Quantribe community. It's kind of a community of quants and quantitative traders. You can find here also my courses, some educational materials, access to my indicators, job board, and so on. So if you're interested, check it out, the link in the description. And now let's get back to the video. So here on the screen, I have a very simple indicator. So this is basically Bollinger Bands indicator, where I compute middle, upper, and lower bands, and then I compute some signals, long and short, and then I plot it all on my chart. So here you can see this. I have like some lines for the bands and also arrows when I want to have my signals. So let's go and create a simplest possible strategy in PineScript. So to do that, I need to do only two things. So first one, I just need to rename indicator to strategy. So there is like three types of scripts in PineScript. So there's indicator, strategies, and libraries. So I need to translate this to strategy to be able to backtest it. And now I need to give PineScript instructions when to open and close my positions. So what I will do is I will create if statement and we'll say that, okay, if long, I want to enter into a long position. And to do that, you need to use a strategy.entry function. So everything related to strategies and to backtesting, you can call with the strategy.functions. So to enter into the long position, you need to specify a kind of string ID of the position and then a type of the strategy. So strategy long in this case. So that's it for the long side. So let's do the same for the short one. So it will be just short here, short as an ID, and short here. So let's save it and see how it looks now. So as you can see, now strategy tester tab was open for us. And here you see some backtesting results. So here we have equity line, we have a drop down line. On top we have some kind of basic metrics of PineScript strategies. You can also see here we have a couple of more tabs where you have more kind of detailed metrics about what's going on inside your strategy. You can also go into a list of trades and explore them to see if it works how you expect it to work. Also have some properties here. And also now when you click on settings of your indicator, you will see that actually there's properties tab. And here in the properties, you can configure your strategy a bit. So you can change initial capital, currency, order size, change pyramiding to be able to be in the same site, multiple orders at the same time, add commission, slippage, adjust margins, do some advanced adjust a bit of a kind of advanced behavior of your indicators. So as you can see, you have quite a lot of control over your strategies in PineScript. So as I said, this is the easiest possible strategy in PineScript. So what it does actually, when you have a signal, it initiates market order to enter at open of the next bar. So as you can see, it's pretty simple, but what you can do is that you can do much more advanced things. So first of all, you have a possibility, for example, to change quantity of your order if you want to. Also, you can enter with limit or stop orders as the parameters of the strategy entry functions. So you have quite a lot of control here. And also, if you want to, for example, change exits of your strategy, you can say, for example, that if our price, let's say, so we'll say that if my price will cross middle level, I want to strategy close all. So this way you can also set up some logic for closing your order. So here you can see we entered short position, and here when we crossed the middle level, we actually close our position. And if you want to have kind of a bit more advanced exits, you can use strategy.exit function. And here you can specify a lot of different things. You can say put like some profit target levels. Also, you can actually have a trail, kind of sort of like a trailing stop loss with a trail offset trail points thing, and you can do quite a lot of things. And just if you will go to a reference manual and will type strategy, here you'll see that there is a lot of different functions that you can use to kind of adjust your strategy and make it really useful. So you can go and explore all the like statistics about recent trades. You can do a lot of things here. So I think you can in TradingView create pretty advanced strategies. So I think that's all for this video. If you're interested in more details about strategies in Pinescape, check out my course in Quantribe. Here I have special sections about the strategies and how to use all the functions you have for the strategies in Pinescape. So thank you for watching. See you in the next one.